we're getting closer. Some of these you gotta pick way down. I guess the car's got a flip. That's overpicked. Take a little bit of the pressure off. There we go. And where's the last one at? It is number 3. That's overpicked. There we go, got it. It's probably those numbers. There we go. All right, now I get to read it. Yep. All right, let's cut that backup key and we're out of here. Altima. I'm just gonna cut it direct. One, 3. 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2. The first cuts don't matter. Let's go. I'm gonna leave it on. I got another one going too.
Come on, bro.
All right, it's all done.
Right on.
You know how your car doesn't like beep when you press the.
It doesn't have a horn. The horn fried out last week. Yeah.
I was gonna tell you how to
I was
set
in traffic,
this one.
you know. I was like, why the fuck is this thing? The extra key that it comes in the back, does that work as well?
Yeah, I cut it.
Right on.
Yeah.